back in Platoon, Vietnam. As you can see, this place is a hellhole. Those damn things tore it all up. We're about to go exploring.
Shit, there's one of them. There's one.
Uh-oh.
Who the hell's this?
Oh, shit.
Who is this?
Put the gun down. Yeah, Mr. Penguin.
Fucking douche.
Not gonna believe your story. Oh, what about you, Mr. Banana? Yeah, that takes care of you. Ready? Reach clear.
Check it, check it. Okay. Shit, what's going on?
Kiss food to MOJ. Sir, put the gun down.
Freeze, you dumb capitalist pig.
Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
I'll do it to him. I'll do it. I'll do it. You think
You
I
won't,
won't?
pussy. You
You
won't.
think I won't?
You
I'm
won't.
French. I'll frickin' do it. My country won every frickin' war.
Sir, where?
Oh, yes! Fuck. He's dead. He's dead. He's fucking dead. Damn it, mission failed. He's dead. Oh, don't shoot yourself, please. Please. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't. Oh. No. 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 No.